Marketing is like a giant loudspeaker. Imagine standing in the middle of a bustling city with thousands of people passing by. Your job is to grab their attention, make them stop, and listen to what you have to say. It's about making noise in a crowded space and ensuring your message stands out. You use it to tell everyone about something awesome. Whether it's a groundbreaking new product, a revolutionary service, or an exciting event, your role is to make sure people know about it. You craft the message, shape the narrative, and deliver it in a way that resonates with your audience. And guess what? You can make serious bank doing it. Successful marketing campaigns can lead to significant financial rewards, not just for the companies you work for, but for you as well. Bonuses, commissions, and even promotions are all on the table when you deliver results. It's not always easy though. You gotta hustle. You gotta be hungry. Late nights, early mornings, and constant networking are part of the game. It's about building relationships, understanding market trends, and always staying one step ahead of the competition. But the rewards? Totally worth it. Think about it. The satisfaction of seeing your hard work pay off, the thrill of a successful campaign, and the joy of celebrating with your team. These moments make all the effort worthwhile. Companies need to sell stuff. From small startups to large corporations, every business relies on marketing to drive sales and grow their brand. Without effective marketing, even the best products can go unnoticed. That's where you come in. You're the idea person, the storyteller. You bring creativity and innovation to the table, crafting compelling stories that capture the essence of a product and connect with the audience on an emotional level. You connect with people and make them believe in a product or service. It's about building trust and creating a sense of value. When people believe in what you're selling, they're more likely to make a purchase and become loyal customers. It's a fast-paced world, this marketing game. Always changing. New trends, technologies, and platforms emerge constantly, and you need to stay updated to remain relevant. It's a dynamic field that requires continuous learning and adaptation. But that's what makes it exciting. The thrill of exploring new ideas, experimenting with different strategies, and seeing what works. It's a field where creativity meets analytics, and every day brings new challenges and opportunities. New platforms pop up all the time. From social media networks to innovative marketing tools, there's always something new to explore. Staying ahead of the curve means being open to experimentation and willing to take risks. You get to be creative and try new things. Whether it's designing a unique ad campaign, crafting engaging content, or exploring new marketing channels, the possibilities are endless. Your creativity is your greatest asset, so you ready to jump in? Let's do this. The world of marketing is waiting for you. With passion, creativity, and determination, you can make a significant impact and achieve great success. So gear up, embrace the challenges, and get ready to make your mark in the exciting world of marketing. You gotta talk to people, like really talk to them, understand what they want, what they need. That's Communication 101. Whether it's writing killer ad copy or charming a client in a meeting, communication is your secret weapon. You're selling a story, a feeling. People need to connect with that. Listen up, you gotta know your audience. Are they on Instagram 24/7, or are they glued to their Twitter feed? Tailor your message. Speak their language. The marketing world is a jungle, lots of noise, lots of competition. How do you break through? Creativity. It's not just about being artsy, it's about thinking differently. Come up with fresh ideas, surprise people, make them stop scrolling. Whether it's a funny meme or a heartwarming video, grab their attention. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try new platforms. Test different approaches. The more you experiment, the better you'll understand what works. Section 4. Data tells a story. Analytics are your friend. Data might sound boring, but it's the key to unlocking marketing magic. When you dive into the numbers, you uncover hidden patterns and trends that can transform your marketing strategy. See those numbers and graphs? They tell a story. Each data point is a piece of the puzzle, revealing insights about your audience's behavior and preferences. They show you what's working and what's not. By tracking your results, you can identify which campaigns are successful and which need improvement. Are people clicking on your ads? Monitoring click-through rates helps you understand the effectiveness of your ad creatives and placements. Are they buying your product? Data doesn't lie. Sales data provides a clear picture of your conversion rates and revenue. It gives you valuable insights. These insights can guide your decision-making process, helping you allocate resources more efficiently. Use this information to make your campaigns even better. Target the right people, refine your message, Tailor your content to meet the needs and interests of your audience. Data-driven marketing is smart marketing. It allows you to be more strategic, making informed decisions that lead to better outcomes. Embrace analytics and let the data guide you to success. Section 5. The Success Blueprint, Stories from the Marketing Trenches. Look at Ryan Holiday. He's a master of his craft, a true marketing genius who has written several best-selling books. His journey is a testament to the power of smart marketing strategies. He used smart marketing to launch best-selling books. From leveraging media to creating buzz, Ryan Holiday knows how to capture attention and convert it into sales. His techniques are studied by marketers worldwide. Or how about Chiara Ferragni? She's another shining example of marketing brilliance. Starting with a simple fashion blog, she has built an empire that spans multiple industries. She turned her fashion blog into a multi-million-dollar empire. Chiara's success is rooted in her ability to connect with her audience on a personal level, making her followers feel like they are part of her journey. These guys are rock stars because they get it, they hustle hard. They understand that marketing is not just about selling a product, but about telling a story that resonates with people. They connect with their audience. They engage in meaningful conversations, listen to feedback, and adapt their strategies accordingly. This connection is what sets them apart from the rest. And they're not afraid to try new things. Success leaves clues. They are constantly experimenting with new tools and techniques, always looking for that next big idea that will set them apart. Study what works for others. Learn from their mistakes. By analyzing successful campaigns and understanding what made them work, you can apply those lessons to your own strategies. And then put your own spin on it. Innovation is key in marketing. Take what you've learned, add your unique perspective, and create something that stands out. Remember, the best marketers are those who are not afraid to be different, to take risks, and to push the boundaries of what's possible.